Canal Cruises Amsterdam. The iconic building in Central Amsterdam Central. Ate Daisy.
Welcome to our beautiful city of Amsterdam, and welcome
Ate
aboard this
Delma
unique canal
and
cruise.
si Ate Ian.
Make this journey as safe
Ayan.
and pleasant as possible.
Maganda siya mga kaibigan dahil glass.
Please do not stand on the chairs or benches. The space behind the cabin should be kept free of any objects. And whatever you do, please keep your arms and head inside the boat at all times. Some of the bridges are very low, and they come up suddenly.
In the case of an emergency, take a moment to note where the emergency exits are. There are two at the front of the boat, one to the left, and one to the right, and another through the hatch door in the roof. This boat is equipped with life-saving equipment, and if an emergency situation arises, the captain will distribute them and give you instructions. Remember, this is a non-smoking cruise.
When you exit the boat, please check and double-check that you have all your belongings with you. Any questions? Your captain is here to assist you. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the cruise.
Welcome to Amsterdam, capital city of the Netherlands. What better way to experience this compact and very international city than from the unique perspective of its waterways? There certainly are a lot of them. This city has over 100 kilometers of canal. Amsterdam is known for being friendly, open-minded, and progressive. It's a popular place to visit and do business. Just think, in a population of only 800,000 people, you can meet 170 different nationalities.
This area's rich history adds a sparkle that's never far below the surface. During the 17th century, Amsterdam shone especially bright, like gold. This golden age was an extraordinary time. Politics, art, and business all reached new levels of sophistication. Dutch shipbuilders revolutionized sailing. Amsterdam boasted a thriving stock exchange, and painters like Rembrandt and Vermeer produced remarkable art.
So, pagbalik natin dito din banda. Babalik din siya sa dati. Ah, okay. Hindi ko na kumulis. Isang oras yan, nag-ikot-ikot natin.
Let's take a step back in time, a big step, to the 12th century. To our left, there was nothing but vast stretches of marshland, lakes, and sea. To our right, at the mouth of the Amstel River, was an early settlement of simple huts. Settlers built a dam across the river, hence the name Amsterdam, or the dam built across the Amstel.
Now, fast forward a few hundred years. Amsterdam has grown into a fortified medieval village, complete with dikes, ditches, and canals to control the sea level. Even this far back in time, it was an important trading hub. Ships sailed back and forth across the Baltic Sea carrying grain, cloth, wood, and salt. The original wall of Amsterdam would have been to our right. During the Middle Ages, a moat, now called a singel, encircled the city. The church you see, the St. Nicholas, was built centuries later. Named after the patron saint of seafarers, it stood overlooking the harbor. Also to our right is the 15th century Friars Tower. This outer defense tower got its name from the scare, or sharp corner, formed by the city walls that met here.
Look to the left. Nothing you see, including the land itself, was here during medieval times. Over the centuries, much of the land around us was wrested from the sea. To reclaim this polder, or land that was once covered by lakes and seas, industrious Amsterdammers built dikes and used windmills and pumps to get rid of unwanted water. And they've done an amazing and ingenious job of it. When it comes to controlling sea levels, the Netherlands takes the lead worldwide.
The building with flags atop it is the former Scheepvaart House, or shipping house. A group of shipping companies ran their businesses from here. This early 20th century building is considered to be the first true example of the Amsterdam School style of architecture. The front of the building is impressively adorned with statues of Neptune, his wife, and 4 figures that represent the points of the compass. The building is decorated inside and out with all kinds of nautical symbols, anchors, ships, and famous Dutch mariners. It's now a 5-star luxury hotel.
On the left-hand side, with the green
Good
roof,
morning, good evening.
it's the famous Sea Palace. It's a floating restaurant that specialized in Chinese and Indonesian food. It even has a special recommendation
Floating
in the Michelin
restaurant.
Guide. And
Chinese
also coming up on
inspired.
the left-hand side, the Library of Amsterdam, the biggest in the Netherlands,
Wow.
next to the Conservatorium, the Music School of Amsterdam, and the big black building at the corner. We all know the company, Booking.com. Every day 5,000 people are working over there taking care of our holidays.
The golden age of the 17th century was a stellar time for Amsterdam. From politics and the economy to arts and science, everything flourished. And the city was now the most important trade center in Europe. There are many reasons for Amsterdam's astounding success. It had the largest and most progressive shipbuilding industry in Europe. Dutch traders sailed farther than anyone else to newly discovered lands in the Far East and to North and South America. They organized into companies like the Dutch East Indian Company and the Dutch West Indian Company.
Conservatorium van Amsterdam.
And exotics such as spices, porcelain, precious stones.
Booking.com company, oh.
Enormous.
Ikot ito hanggang isang oras. Isang oras. Maano ka talaga, mapura ka. Ikot-ikot. So siguro mamaya, yung view doon mamaya siguro dadaan.
We are now in the Oosterdock, or East Harbor. It was constructed at the beginning of the 19th century. The tall, green ship-like building is NEMO, the Children's Center for Science and Technology. With lots of interactive exhibits, it's a popular place for families. As much as it looks like a ship,
Puno ang
that wasn't
barko.
the original intention. The famous Italian architect, Renzo Piano, designed NEMO as an inverse reflection of the A tunnel, which runs beneath it. The building's height equals the depth of the tunnel. NEMO gets its green color from the oxidated copper that covers its walls. There's a unique sand-filled terrace on the roof where you'll find sunbathers searching for rays while enjoying beautiful views of the harbor and the city.
Napakaano sila dito, no? Tino, ekstrikto sila sa distrikto sila, lalo na maganda, oh, tinan mo yung paligid, sobrang hindi makalat. Hindi makalat yung mga building, talagang organized, at saka di ba yung mga iconic buildings doon, yung mga lumang antique ba, talagang pinipreserve talaga nila yung ano yung paano yung noon hanggang ngayon. Anong oras sa Philippines? Alas 3 daw. Alas 3 daw. Yan yung parang medieval
Ships
time
from
na
all
barko.
over the world dock at the PTA, or Passenger Terminal Amsterdam. It's shaped like a wave, or the back of a whale. Some locals like to call it the goldfish, because the tourists brought here by the big cruise ships help to bolster the economy.
Wow, kaya pala para siyang cruise ship design. Isa ang cruise ship na nagbibigay ng income sa economy dito. Kaya mayroong ganyan. Ayun. Grabe ang gala dito. Ang daming mapuntahan. Hindi mo talaga maubos lahat itong lakarin lahat. Pero kami, inuna namin yung mga top
These ships
tourist
coming on
spot.
the right hand side. There were all cargo ships in the past. Before the Second World War, they were sailing as cargo ships to the Dutch waters. They got out of use in the Second World War because there were no engines. And now they are kept here with the museum, just as houseboats.
Ginawang museum nila. Houseboats, mga kaibigan. No? Grabe kaiba talaga.
The Maritime Museum is housed in
Ito
the
din
old
dito.
harbor in a very large building that was once the weapon arsenal or warehouse for the Amsterdam Admiralty.
Ngayon,
There were originally 2 docks in front of the
Grabe
building for
ka,
constructing
amazing,
and arming
oh.
warships of the Dutch Republic with cannons and other weapons. A replica of a trade ship called the Amsterdam is now docked outside the museum, giving insight into just how small and cramped sailing conditions were.
wow.
The building was renovated and reopened in 2011. A beautiful domed glass roof was installed over the spacious inner courtyard. The roof is shaped like a compass rose, and during the day you can look up and see lines like those on an old map. After dark, hundreds of tiny LED lights blink on, creating the illusion of a starry night.
The museum is well worth a visit and contains shipping and sailing artifacts and collections of maps, weapons, model ships, as well as paintings of naval officers and dramatic sea battles.
Now we are entering one of the older locks of the Amsterdam. In the past, we needed these shipping locks because we were at open sea. And nowadays, there's no open sea anymore. Everything is here inland water. But the locks, they are still there. When you take a look, there are also set doors in these locks. You can see it as a second defense line. When something happens,
Dito, mga
with the
kaibigan,
dikes
sobrang
or the
mahal ng
locks
mga
here in
bahay.
Amsterdam or another place, you can
Sobrang
still
mahal ng
close
mga
these
bahay,
doors
lalong-lalo
to
na
protect
dito
the
talaga
city
sa
of
Amsterdam.
against flooding.
At saka lalo na itong mga apartment building. Napakamahal daw yan, mga kaibigan. Ay, sobrang mahal. Tapos maliit pa ang banyo, maliit ang kwarto. Yung tour guide nagsabi sa amin, sus ko. Sabi ko nga, magkano yung 3 bedrooms? 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms na bahay. Diba? Sabi ti, mga 800 euros.
Hindi dito sa Amsterdam, sa
Naku, na how much more dito? Siguro, ano na yun, T? Ilang milyon euros na yun. Expensive dito yung kape. Kasi yung sabi nga ng ano, di ba yung penthouse na dadaanan natin, sabi niya ano na yung 25M. Tapos ang lit-lit daw ng banyo. Sus ko. 25M ang lit-lit ng banyo. Ito talaga ang trademark nila. Yung mga bintana, bricks, tapos may mga ganyan ba. Lalo na dito. Mga mayayaman ang ano talaga dito. Detira, mayayaman lang mga kaibigan. Guys, Amsterdam ba naman yung pinaka one of the most popular talaga na tourist sa buong mundo. Kaya, sus. Pero si ate, Daisy,
The canals were built
lagi
in
na yan
3
siya dito mga
phases,
kaibigan kasi
starting at
Germany
the west
sila.
side of the city and moving east.
Always
They
yan siya
reached
dito.
this area, the Plantasche, toward the end of the
Lalo na yung
17th
mga
century.
bisita ni ate.
At that point, the housing needs of the city had already been met, so officials decided not to allow private housing in this neighborhood.
Kaya super
Instead,
thank you
the
talaga
space
ni
was
ate
filled with
guys.
gardens,
Naka-experience din
courtyards,
kami.
and charity homes for the elderly.
Ooh!
By the 1800s, people began building homes in this area. Notice its unique feel, with more greenery and wider lanes than anywhere else in the city.
Doon. Oh, doon banda oh. Kita mo yung para siyang
Freedom
hotel.
of religion, free speech,
Hindi siya
sexual
gaya dito
freedom.
sa kabila, Tin, na
All of these are
talagang
outlawed in parts of the world. We are
magkaano
glad to
lang.
say that we can take freedom for granted
Iba
in the
dito
Netherlands.
Doon
Dutch
kasi yung
television and
Homoga
radio
Angel parang isang
broadcast
building.
frank discussions of drugs, euthanasia, and body functions. No one giggles at nudity.
Of course, Dutch law places a few limits on what we can do. Discrimination, libel, and slander are illegal. So was blasphemy until 2014. Like every society, we Dutch have our taboos and disagreements. But on the whole, we're grateful to have a nation devoted
Hala
to
ka.
freedom for all.
Nakaihi na. Buong sa atin.
Kahit ang layo na ispatan ba? Klaro ka.
In 2013, Amsterdam's botanical garden, the Hortus Botanicus, celebrated its 375th anniversary, making it one of the oldest in the world. It began as a modest medicinal herb garden and grew substantially during the Golden Age, as Dutch explorers traveled to the East and West Indies and other faraway places. They brought back exotic plants and seeds, including the tulip, the potato, and tobacco, all of which are now considered common. The Botanical Gardens collection has grown to contain
Si Ate
thousands of
Delma.
specimens, from the common to the
Nag-live din
very
si Ate
rare.
Pinay ni Uncle Kano mga
Nearby,
kaibigan.
you'll find Wertheim Park, one of Amsterdam's
Ayan.
oldest public
Mag-end na
parks.
ako, punta nyo lang si Ate
This
Pinay ni,
picturesque green
ni
area
ang
is home to
Uncle
the
Kano,
Auschwitz
Pinay ni
Memorial,
Uncle Kano, kaya
a
mag-end na po
series of
ako.
broken mirrors.
Thank you
They're
very
positioned
much. God
to reflect the
bless.
expansive sky above, symbolizing the